I see a limbo situation. Kingdom today. A macaw show, a fun dance party with Blue even.
Yeah, I haven't seen Blue at that party.
And Timon, and Rafiki, and that gorilla from...
Turk.
Oh, Turk, that's his name. Or her name.
Her name.
No?
Her name.
Yeah, because Rosie O'Donnell, right? Isn't that what she is? Yeah, alright. We know things. It is very hot today.
It's pretty toasty.
I am glad we got a fast pass for Cali River Rapids. I think it's the first time I've been on it since we've been here. What about you?
Yeah, I think it was under reefer when we first got here.
You're right.
Or shortly thereafter.
Not anymore. Today's the day. It has also been a long time since I've done Dinosaur. I think I've only done it maybe once or twice since we've been here.
I've done it a little more than you, but not a ton.
You've also come to Animal Kingdom more than I have. Like the last 3 or 4 times, Jeremy's come without me. Although there was 1 or 2 days I went without him, so maybe we're even. That is a very fun ride.
It is a pretty good ride. It's still no Indiana Jones.
It's true.
It's a good ride.
Yes. You know, it's funny because it does have, it's essentially the same ride as Indiana Jones at Disneyland, but it's themed to dinosaurs instead of Indiana Jones. But I've just done that one at Disneyland so many more times that when I'm on that ride on Dinosaur, I'm like, oh, and this is the part with the skulls, and this is the part with the bridge. Just because it's a superior ride, it really is. But this one's still fun.
It's still good.
Our next quest is to conquer this mountain. The standby line's only 30 minutes. That's not bad at all. For Easter week, the crowds here are pretty good. This queue also always reminds me of Larry, the Sasquatch sleuth. He would love this queue.
He would.
We're only in the Fastpass queue right now, so we can't see the whole, there's like a whole Bigfoot section of it. It's pretty cool, but he would definitely like the queue. Oh no, is that the Yeti? Looks scary. Do you think we'll see the Yeti?
Maybe.
Looks scary. I've heard stories.
Stories?
Yeah. Quality roller coaster at Disney World, that's the one.
It is really good.
It's really fun. It almost makes me nauseous, which I think makes it good. Also, crisis averted, Jeremy dropped his phone on the ride, or maybe off the ride, getting off the ride. We did not have a Seven Dwarfs Mine Train incident though. He did not lose it. It's not shattered. He found it. He got it back. It's in one piece.
I realized it almost immediately. My watch buzzed because it got far away from my phone.
Oh, thank goodness. I did not want to go through that ordeal again.
No.
And if you didn't know, a few years ago when we were on vacation, Jeremy lost his iPhone on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. And if you want to see what it looked like when we found it, we'll leave a link up here. Our next fast pass is for Cali River Rapids, but we've got an hour to kill before we can use it. So to Harambe we shall go. We've come full circle. We're back around near the Tree of Life, checking out the otters.
Too hot for them, they're over here. Stand.
Oh, I'm so glad we saw them.
They're very cute.
They're so cute. We saw an otter in the wild the other day outside of our house when we were walking our dog. So they are a Florida thing. They're a Northwest thing too. Apparently they're just across the US, I'm assuming, since they're both in Washington and Florida. Here at the Adventurers Outpost where you can meet Mickey and Minnie. It's only a 15-minute queue. That's not bad at all, so we're gonna meet them. Hello! Hi, nice to see you. Hi! Oh, you look so cute. Even out going on a safari, you look very dapper. Yes, you both look very nice.
I like your hats.
Bye! I'm so glad we stopped and met them.
They're super cute, and it was air conditioned in there, so that was nice.
It's nice time to cool off for a minute. It's a very warm day. I think everyone else had the same idea as us. Use Fastpass. We're about to get on Cali River Rapids. You know what that means? It's time for Ziploc bag cam. We've been in this line for almost 25 minutes.
For the Fastpass.
For the Fastpass. The end is near, hopefully. I love this bridge. It's always so peaceful. Even when there's big loud families in front of you, it's still peaceful. I'm gonna pop into Pandora. Our friend Brian is here in Pandora and we're probably gonna get going soon, but we at least want to stop and say hi to him for a little while before we go. Oh, there it goes.
That goes far. Yeah, that goes further than it did the last time. They got her up.
I think we've accomplished everything that we set out to accomplish today.
We used our fast passes. We met Mickey and Minnie.
And we met up with Brian, hung out with him for a while, so it's time to go home. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.